na mimi mwenyewe Tungule na kamati yenu ya hapa,
na hawa wawekezaji ambao wanafanya utafiti katika. Lakini jambo muhimu nimesema hivi, uchimbaji madini lazima uwe na faida.
Otherwise I want to assure the people of Kilifi and the people of this area that the ministry and the national government in particular will not allow investors that are not going to respect the rights of the people. And therefore, as we go along this process, we want to make sure that there's participation of everybody, but also benefits accruing, from this particular process. The county has been allocated 950 million for mineral royalties. This is in addition to the funding that they have already received, and therefore this is part of the benefits of minerals in this county. This county hosts titanium, but we also have copper, we also have manganese, and we are also looking at processes to make sure that we reorganize those investments. As at now, the only prospecting investor is only one. We have revoked all the others that had been given licenses and they were not doing anything.
I think Kilifi is good, and here for Sokoke the titanium is best. That's why I stay here working 1 year last year. I'm waiting for ministry. He's opening the system, and we are together for Kilifi County Governor. I signature for MU and wait for ministry. I working so hard for last years. He gave me license now. I'm very lucky. I'm very efficient, and now we have license. The system is opening. Minister today is here. Governor is here, and the ministry team, governor team, and my team is here.
There is blessed with a lot of minerals, but it has been the cause of a lot of problems because we have had so many unscrupulous people who come and exploit, but there has been no benefit. So I'm glad that with the reforms that are currently happening in the Ministry of Mining, we hope everything that is supposed to come for the benefit of the local wananchi is going to happen.